Exactly. You didn't see it, the rule does not apply.
Yeah. Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Terry, your host, and we're so glad to have you join us. If you've watched our channel in the past and subscribed, thank you. We're glad to have you as part of the nation. We always enjoy meeting members of the Road Rush Nation on the highways. If this is your first visit to the channel, welcome. And we hope you join the nation and come along on some amazing adventures as we share our Harley road trips with you and hopefully inspire you to get on your bike and take that trip. If you'd like to be a member of our amazing nation and experience these unique places, then give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these amazing adventures. So, time to get to today's ride. It's time to take a trip and experience one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Yep, it's the Grand Canyon, and we're going to take you to the south rim of the canyon. The south rim is the most popular entrance to the canyon, and it has a lot to do with location. If you've ever seen our other episode of the north rim, you'll be able to see the difference in the location and how crowded this side of the park can be. Grand Canyon National Park's south rim is open all year and is located 60 miles north of Williams, Arizona via Route 64 from Interstate 40, which is what we are riding on now, and 80 miles northwest of Flagstaff via Route 180. The park, it lies entirely within the state of Arizona. The route to the park is nice. The road is well maintained and it does have a bit more traffic to deal with than the North Rim. You can only imagine with 90% of visitors coming to this side that it would be a bit busy. Riding through the pine trees is always enjoyable, but one thing to be cautious is of the many elk and deer in the area. They are so used to the traffic and people that they will be standing right next to the road, so just be on your toes. Just 7 miles before the entrance of the park is the town of Tucson, and I hope I pronounced that right. It's a great place to stop and grab a bite to eat before you go into the park, which will save you money, and if you want to stay close to the park, there's a couple of motels here. Besides the roundabouts here in town, there isn't much to see on the road. It's pretty straight and nice. So let's take a quick look at this town as we ride through it. And maybe you'll see someplace you'll want to stay when you come to visit the Grand Canyon. You will know when you're getting close to the entrance gate to the park when the traffic comes to a standstill. Then it's time to be patient and wait for your turn to go through the gate. This area of the country has many great national parks to visit, and if you plan on visiting more than one during a year, here's some money-saving advice. Get an annual national park pass. Let me explain why. The cost for just a motorcycle to each park is $30 for 7 days. That pass is only for that park. So if you plan on going to a few national parks during a year, it pays to get an annual pass. And there are various types of annual passes with varying costs. There's the standard annual pass that costs $80, a senior pass that for a lifetime is $80, an access pass for those with permanent disabilities is free, an active duty military pass which is also free. Getting a pass will save you money, and it also makes it so much easier going through the entrance gate. You just show your pass and ID, and you're on your way to see the park. Believe me, stopping on a bike and looking for money is a pain, so show that pass and just go. I will put a link at the bottom in the description so that you can look for your National Park pass. So, after we got through the gate and rode a few more miles, we finally made it into the parking lot for the South Rim. Now, this place can get quite crowded, and as you can see, people will park anywhere. So, we were able to find a place up in the front. Okay, maybe it wasn't a space, but it all worked out. So let's just go check out the rim and see how beautiful it is. Oh, and while you're at the rim, you'll never know what kind of wild nature you'll see. So always keep your eyes open. You never know what wild creatures you might see. It took us a while to figure out what this animal was with this white tail. I think it was the elusive Charmin bear. Okay, bad joke, but we would hope her friend would have told her, hey, you've got a tail. So, if you're thinking about going to the Grand Canyon, do it. It's awe-inspiring, and you will be truly amazed. And riding there on your bike, it's just amazing. And you don't have the confines of being in a car, and you can see the beauty as you're riding up. So, thanks for coming along, and check out our other episode from the North Rim. You'll be able to see the difference and make the choice. Do you want to go to the South or the North Rim? My suggestion? Do both. The beauty of the Grand Canyon cannot be compared to any place else on the earth. So thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next adventure. Take care, ride safe, and enjoy life. Remember, life's too short, so let's go ride.